Umurango ogu gutirwaho babiri umuzano gw'abazana ba golfu ogubire gwitabirwemo abashaija n'abakazi kuruga omu nshonda zitari zimwe na zimwe omu ihanga kandi abeberundire aha golf course omuri Kasese kandi tournament egi ebire negenda omu maisho ebire nemanywa nka Kirembe Mines Ladies Open 2026. Babire bari aha mukoro nigwo gumwe Paul Charles Rukundo ori omuhwezi wa president w'abarikuzana golf mu Uganda narishi Uganda Golf Union arigiro yagira ngu emizano nk'egi neza kuyamba aha by'oburambuzi aho kugira ngu neza kwegitwamu aba European Design Group kandi eki kiza kuyamba okureba ngu omuzano nabarikuguzana gwaza aha mutindo ogw'ensi yoona.
And the goal is to make sure that we keep the tourists here much longer, which means they stay here and spend more money. And then we also have a larger offering that we can give.
Ogu hayongere yaterera omuranga abarukurra eby'emizano mu Uganda nashaba National Council of Sports okureba ngu bakwatiraho ekibiina ekyo ky'abazani ba golfu okureba ngu enteekateeka zaakyo zagenda omu maisho kandi batunga n'amaani ab'okuhika abantu boona omu nshonda n'enshonda z'ihanga.
Us as the union, we shall endeavor that we take this game to at least 75% of the districts in this country. And hopefully we can be able to interact with the underprivileged and those other local communities.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe katuuramu David Muhumuza oro captain wa Kirembe Mines Golf Club ashoborire kuba atandikire kandi yayongera yashoborana n'ebizibu ebi barikurabamu.
Yeah, encroachment, what happened? The encroachment is there. The golf land covered a bigger area. The encroachment is there. I think it's being handled by authorities. Our interest as per now is the game area which has not been encroached on.
Omumizano ni yemwe bira hari Kirembe Mines Ladies Open 2026 etaranta yorekirwe kandi aho omuzano omanyure nka Kemigisa Meroni niwabire omuzano w'omutano omu tournament egi.
After getting an 8 on hole 11, it was tough. So I was like, now I'm gone. But I said, now I had more strokes the 2 days. Let me keep fighting. So I told myself, keep fighting, don't give up. But Joyce was not easy today. You gave me a hard time.
Umubandi bazani abasingire kandi betabire omuzano ogu habarimu Haji Nsubuga Isa bashobore barabiremu kandi n'omwete okubashemerirwemu omuri Kirembe Mines Golf Open.
Okuzana golf kirungi muno kandi ninterera abantu kujumbira kuzana golf akukuba ukwikaro ikalire kienda omubiri ogurelaxingeho moving around otere mipira exercising obazeho n'abatahi bawe kandi kiba nkikuyamba ha mubiri n'okumanyagana n'abantu.
Bwanyuma y'okuhendera tournament egi ebire nemanywa nka Kirembe Mines Ladies Open 2026 abere betabire omuhurro egi bashabire Gavumenti okureba ngu yakuuma omwanya ogu ekyakutangira abantu okugukozesa omu buhenda biragiro. Gashakwa Mate Isaac habwa Tayari West omuri Kasese.
Number 8.